Are we taking the beam, dude?
This 4 of us.
Yeah, we can. Say there's no way that'll work.
We were getting ready to cuddle, bro.
Yeah.
Ooh, Mark 4 Supra. Mark 4 Supra, dude. Oh my god, it's so good. Ooh, he's got that gangster ass automatic.
Where's the surge? I need one. Chow, are you the master fabricator now? Nice shirt, dude.
Sponsored. Bye. Car's just gonna go that way. See here.
Check this out. Getting the simulator bumping right now. Chow's downloading Assetto Corsa Content Manager so that the mods are like super duper easy to work with. We ended up getting the sim working. It's almost 2 in the morning. I was just on it for a while. We got Evergreen on there. I've been practicing a little bit. Next day, bright and early. Dude, Berkey's getting some practice there. So while we're waiting for my transmission, I figured we'd go out and explore a little bit. I've been dying to get out of here and go check out what Washington has to offer. We're currently heading to a place Brandon recommended called the Ice Caves. I was, to be honest. Ice Caves.
Turn my birthday.
Alright, we're here. The drive out here was absolutely incredible. We're about to make this hike. Get to the caves.
You're jumping that right there.
Hey, we're entering the avalanche zone. Tony Rada's gonna be around. I wanna walk up to it.
Berkey pointed this out, but he said this feels like Skyrim in real life, and it definitely does.
This is the ice cave right here, because I know the waterfall goes behind it.
We made it to the top of the trail. I need to do more of this. Now we start our descent. This is why I think Washington is awesome.
How was it?
Sick.
One hand in it, you know?
Rear diff's coming out.
Let's change this to that one.
Looks a little different.
Oh, buddy! Oh!
Chow, you better not disappoint right now, man. The world is watching. You drive like me. This is it, Chow. This is it. Oh!
Ah! Got it in there, dude. Got it in there.
Stacked.
Oh, bro.
Stacked,
bro,
dude.
bro.
Are we spending this all on pizza?
All on pizza.
Taking the old mini Mintoed Little Caesars. Look at this clearance. So here's the big mess we're dealing with now. Basically, we have to swap the actual differentials out of the cases. We have to take the S14 stock gearing one, put it into the Q45 case, and then we'll be good because of the flange on the drive shaft.
Howdy.
Chow bought 3 drinks, everybody. Oh, dude, a Slam Miata just drove in front of us. Next day, about to head to the UPS store and send Damien the title for the 7.3 dually. I have faith that he'll put this thing to good use. Right now, I want to pick up the replacement brake reservoir for Chris Jenner. Check this out. I got us a joystick so we could simulate a handbrake here. Oh, understeered into the wall.
Got nothing, dude.
They fucked me. You saw that?
Yeah, he bumped your ass out the way.
Fuck it, top, bottom, who cares?
The whole thing is handbrake.
The whole thing's handbrake, guys.
Oh, really?
Dude, he's going hard. The whole thing's handbrake.
We need to go pick up a feeler gauge for this. Just did a quick little shopping trip, stocked up on sandwich meat, so we got food for the week. We're gonna quickly run to a vape shop. I burnt my vape out puffing on coilover custard. All right, so right now we are finally getting around to the boost gauge install. As you can see here, we have one of these like JDM digital like ricer boost gauges. It's got this basically the sensor, because it's digital. This is just a screen. There's no vacuum line going to the back of this like most regular ones. So you wire this up, put power to this, and then, you know, just connect these together, and it will say your boost level digitally on the screen. So that should be interesting to see what this thing's running. And we also got the JDM Heart subway handle here to install today as well. So yeah, should be cool. We'll get this going. I'm really interested to see what kind of boost pressure this thing's even making.
That's the airbag.
Oh, is it? Is there an airbag back there, or is it just hollow?
Hell no, it's hollow as shit.
Oh, dude, that fits like a glove. Boom. 12 volts with the key on. Oh yeah, let me turn the work light off. Oh yeah. Oh, you just got to get the wire on there. Oh, dude, it's like spinning around and shit too. Oh, that's sick. That's pretty cool. Check it out in blue. It's pretty cool. Look at that. Now we're extra JDM, dude.
Chinesium, it doesn't fit very well. We're just gonna tap into this random vacuum line here somewhere.
Is that T about to snap in half? Does it feel like real crappy quality?
No, it's not that type of plastic. It's not like the brake plastic. Boom. Now how do we route this in? You know?
Oh yeah. Next dilemma.
Because this is the motor.
Alright. We're gonna see if we got a vacuum. -10. Alright, this is it. We're going on the maiden drive with the boost gauge. 4 PSI! I wanna see it. Yeah, I wanna see it up the hill. Alright, this is it. Uphill pull. Oh, I saw 7. Oh yeah, 8 pounds of boost, baby!
That 5th gear pulls the telltale.
Oh yeah! We got 8 pounds. Is this 5th?
It flashed a 9 for a second.
You saw a 9? Spiked that 9?
Are you 5th?
No. I bet on the highway we could get it up to 9.
Oh, there's 9.
9 PSI! 9 PSI! Well, that's it for this video. Mini Minto. Got some crazy JDM, most likely Chinese though, boost gauge. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace out. See you on the next one.